start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand on my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face.
Okay, y'all. I just had to give me some water. Now I'm heading out. Oh my aunt, we went to a park, I think. How's it going? Y'all are making my job harder than it should be. Hold on, y'all, I'll be back. I be trying to move fast and I still be moving slow. That ain't my fault though. Oh, this sun is hitting. The sun is hitting, y'all. Don't talk about this one piece of hair that just be so long, because I'm gonna cut it. And honestly, I'm gonna block you. And my hair just went to the back anyway, so it still gives.
To make the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for. Put you in a mansion.
This is so nice, y'all. They're chimes. They're chimes. You're supposed to meditate over here, so you could just like sit at the little brick benches that they have out here and listen to the sound. Like, that is so soothing. That is really nice. Well, I thought the cell tower was one of the next whatchamacallits. This is nice. Y'all, this sun is just giving, like. But yeah, I just took some pictures and they are fire. I'm about to drop them right here. Yeah, so y'all could see I ate the pictures. My auntie was on behind the camera. Look at Misha. Yeah, she was behind the camera. So
Somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain. We can change that last name. What's happening? Cause you look so good. Tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here.
alright guys, we just got back to the car. Ooh, look at me. Like, this is glistening. But yeah, just got back to the car. Hold on, y'all.
I need this ad to hurry up.
So we just got to the small little mall where the Ben & Jerry's is, and they got money over here, because these some stores I never even heard of. Like, look. And also they have a Lululemon, y'all. I swear I never heard of the actual, like, I've heard of it, but I never even seen the store for real. Like, they have an actual Lululemon store. Like, what?
You didn't hear Connor? That was the best part about the studio. Harry Potter.
I got marshmallow sky, y'all.
Here you go.
Thank you. It's kind of giving.
Hey y'all, I left my tripod in the car. So hold on, like, hold on, I gotta fix okay. Yeah, I feel like Beyonce when she be singing and her hair be flying. That's how I feel right now. So this is the ice cream.
actual marshmallows in there.
What's the name of it?
Marshmallow Sky. Okay, Pie. Oh, she's crazy. She's crazy, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me because it's really loud, but she's crazy. Hey y'all, so I just got back to my house. Well, I didn't just get back. I got back a good little minute ago. I don't even know, but I got back a good little minute ago. Y'all can see I've been outside. Look at the hair. Look at the hair. It's way fluffier than it was at first, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm about to eat a chicken pot pie, and then honestly, I don't know. I'm gonna watch a movie for real this time. I know I said I was gonna watch a movie. I was watching a movie earlier. I think I said that, but I didn't even watch it, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my chicken pot pie, and then, well, it's cooking right now, but I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna come back on here later, possibly. I might have my bonnet on though, so I'm gonna say that for sure. Definitely probably gonna have my bonnet on. But yeah, guys,
I have nothing to fear.
want me to put this in the fridge? Your Coke?
You always see yourself in suffering. You would be hard about it, so I am sure you will be.
Hey guys.
And forgive me, I will.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put it. Hey y'all, so I'm about to make me an iced coffee, and then I'm going to watch Bridgerton.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap and flex so.
After the post, I changed my mom's glassy curtains. Don't worry, I'm gonna let you keep your books in the bedroom. Which I imagine will be empty. Until what's inside.
Neither of you will be inheriting anything if you do
I
not
need some
go
ice.
and get to work.
Looking first, you'll copy some
I take comfort in knowing that you will always be here to take care of you.
Sex OD, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it.
Did you see 50 Cent respond to his son, Christian Combs? Cause you know Christian had made the song or whatever, and I don't know how it got something to do with 50 Cent, but then they ended up going back and forth, and I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna have to find it because it was crazy. I was like,
Around and not exciting. Through the group of 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
alright, y'all.
Is magnets and your other interests.
What my thing is to say is,
Who are you besides your hobbies?
Yes. What do you desire?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your